Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. So we have our first ever Best Buy haul. Yeah. We've never done one for Best Buy. So that's why Cody is joining me today, because he is a lot more tech guy.
I guess I'm like the tech expert. I'm not really, but
he's
more
best. Techie than I am. So we're going to go over some of the best Black Friday deals. So Best Buy has already started all of their Black Friday sales. So if you see anything you love, go ahead and snag it now. I've already seen some things as I was going through this morning that have started selling out. So do snag things quickly, and hopefully everything, fingers crossed, will be still in stock when we upload this. But just like normal, all of the links will be in the description, so you can check them all out there, and we will link a little comment with some of the links as well. So something I guess I maybe didn't realize is that Best Buy also has a lot of like houseware type things. Did you know that?
Yeah, I only know that because I went in there last Black Friday and was walking through,
really?
And the line it was so long I had to wrap through all the like house stuff.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Usually I think of them only for tech, but they did have some really good deals on home things as well. So this is a Ninja, this is a Mega Kitchen System blender. It is $100 off, so it's down to $99. And we use our Ninja all the time for mainly smoothies. We make a lot of smoothies. I've also done them for soups and different things like that. But this one's really cool because you get like you can do cookie dough and stuff in there, like a mixer and also a blender. And then it comes with 2 of the little travel cups, which are really nice. So you can just stick them on there, blend a smoothie in it, and then drink it right there. So this would make a great gift option as well. Okay, this is a super cool find because this is, you know how air fryers and pressure cookers have both been so hot this season? This is a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, and an air fryer in one. And it's goodness gracious, Crock Pot brand. So it's name brand. It's
dangerous
really,
word.
Apparently. Gotta get that one right. So anyway, it is, a really good brand, great quality. I've never seen one that has them all 3 together. We have a crock pot that we use constantly.
You use. I eat some.
Right. I use it. It's so easy. We actually don't have a pressure cooker and an air fryer yet, so maybe we need to get this one for ourselves.
Maybe.
Gift ourselves. But this one is down to $89. It's normally $200, so you're saving $110. And I think this is another really good gift for like grandparents, mother-in-laws, sisters, moms, really anyone that likes to cook, I think would be really excited about this.
All right, guys, next up is the Ring 3 doorbell. So we have the original Ring, and I will say I have seen the picture quality of this one, and it's way higher than the one that we have. And it makes a really big difference because like on your phone, for ours, you have to basically be like right in front of the camera for us to
pretty grainy
to make out what it is.
Yeah.
And on this one, it's 1080p. Ours is only 720, and so the quality is a lot higher, and you can see further, and it's just better looking.
Yeah.
And so this one's $60 off, down from $200 to $140, and I think it's a great buy. It goes right through your smartphone. You have an app that you download. You can check it anywhere, anytime. I've actually loved having ours.
We have loved it.
I use it all the time. Like I answer the door through it, so that I don't have to have that face to face.
It has voice command too.
Yeah.
So, and sometimes he talks to me when I take the trash out, and he's not.
I do. I like
scares
staring
the heck out of me. But yeah, we love it, and also like we get so many packages and things delivered that if we're ever out of town, or even if we're just not going to be home until late that evening, we like to be able to check up. Like, hey, did that get delivered? Is it staying there? And make sure no one's stealing anything.
Yeah.
So they're really, really nice to have, and I think the 3 is worth the money. All right, next up is a Keurig. Raise your hand in the comments if you do not already have a Keurig. We have one. We recently just got a new one though because we used ours so much and it was like 5 or 6 years old or something. And I just thought, you know what, this thing's starting to get gross. So we just got a new one, but I love the white. They're a little bit harder to find the white one. And personally, just for like the aesthetic of our house, I think this would be cuter sitting on a countertop because our countertops are white than the black one that we have. But that's not the hugest deal in the world. But this is a really good deal on one. It is down to $69.99. So you get $60 off. And this one, I believe you can do like different sizes of cups on this one. And it has a reservoir, so you can make, probably 4-ish cups of coffee in it on one fill up with the water. This is another thing that has been on both of our wish lists for how many years?
Since we got Tucker.
Since we got Tucker. We need a Roomba in our lives. We truly do. And this is a really, really good price on one. So this is down $200. Now you can find a lot of, off-brand versions of these. And they might be a little bit cheaper, but if you want the good name brand, highly reviewed Roomba, this is a really, really good price on this one. So basically you can set it up on your smartphone and it will vacuum whenever you want it to. And it can go from like rugs or carpet to hardwood. We have stained concrete in our house and it gets dirty so easily. Room to room, and do all that just fine. And I also kind of just want to see what Tucker would do with one of these.
It would keep Tucker in the corner afraid
he
all
would
the time.
Freak out, probably.
He hates the vacuum. Next is $40 off on Airpods, and this was actually my Christmas gift to you last year.
And it was amazing.
And you use them every day, pretty much.
Every single day.
Yeah, they're really nice. I mean, as far as like headphones go, it's nice to have them this small and compact. I have the big Bose ones that go over my ears, which I like that kind of headphone, but they're also really, really like cumbersome and huge.
Yeah,
and, so it's nice
you can
to
never hear me at all.
That's true. They're totally noise canceling, which is good for me, but bad for you. But
yes. But I have loved my AirPods, so I use these for any time I'm doing chores around the house, and I will put like audiobooks on or podcasts or something, and it makes things a lot more enjoyable. And also, I used to listen to headphones all the time when I would do chores, but they would always get caught, like the cord would get caught on when I was putting dishes away, like on the drawers or just so many things. And so I have really, really enjoyed having these, and you can make calls, or answer calls through them and things like that too.
All right, Beats by Dr. Dre are on sale for $130 off, so down from $300 to $169. It's a really good deal.
Super good deal.
I had a pair of Beats. It's been a few years. I have Bose now, but the Beats, I actually think those were my favorite headphones I've ever had. I liked them. I liked just the sound quality was really high. They're really heavy and feel like very, I don't know, invincible or something.
And they're very noise canceling.
They're very noise canceling. Yeah, that too. And they're just cool. They're just like the coolest looking headphones, I feel like. All the NBA athletes have them and stuff. They're just a cool headphone. So, like, I think, like a younger person would enjoy having Beats probably over something else.
Yeah, and they do come in a light blue and a red as well, and this dark blue, which I think is kind of a pretty color. But this would be a good men's gift option. If you are looking to spend, around $150, $200, I think men would really appreciate this. Women too, but.
Yeah. And they're wireless, Bluetooth enabled, so really good for the gym. No cords getting caught in anything.
Yeah. Okay, I thought this was a really good deal on an Amazon Echo. We just got one. We were like way late to the party on getting an Echo, probably 4 months ago, maybe.
Something like that, yeah.
But we've really liked having it. And if I'm not going to listen to like an audiobook or something in my headphones, I will put music on our Echo when we're doing chores. When people come over, we like to just play music and give a little ambiance.
Right now, a little Christmas music together.
Yes, we play Christmas music at night, and when I'm cooking, I like to do that. So anyway, this one is down to only $18. So it's normally $40, and you can get them in all different colors. This pink color is kind of fun. And even if people already have one of these, I think this still makes a good gift option because you can put them in different rooms too. So we've even thought about putting one in London's room when she's born, just to do like white noise or lullaby music or something like that in there too.
Okay, so this is one that I personally have wanted for a while.
Talking about this for a long time.
We have an old TV that I've had for a long time, and I want an upgrade. And TVs are so much more affordable now than they used to be.
Yes.
So this is a 70-inch, massive Samsung TV for $529. It's down from $750. It's a UHD 4K TV. It's got apparently more vivid colors. The UHD is like it discovers more colors than like a regular HD TV would, so it looks awesome apparently. And yeah, Samsung's a great brand. It's a smart TV, and so you can have like Netflix and your different apps right on the TV. You don't have to have a streaming device, which is kind of cool. And yeah, I think this is a great buy, $529 for a 70-inch.
Yeah, I think ours is like 50. Is that what you said? 40 or 50?
It's 50, and I think I paid more than this for it.
Yeah, I mean, they used to be so expensive. But anyway, this would be significantly bigger than even what we have now. And for that price, I think if you are in the market for a new television, now is the time to get one for sure. These are the best prices that you're going to get all year on TVs.
And then here's another just kind of more affordable TV option. It's a 50-inch, which is still a pretty good size. That's what ours is currently.
Yeah, it seems really big to me.
Yeah, I mean, it's the biggest TV we have, but this one's only $229. So 50 inches for $229.
Affordable.
Yeah, it's very affordable. This is 4K UHD as well. And then it's a smart Android TV, so you can have the apps on it just like the other one. So you get the 4K, super high def, and all your apps right there on the TV. No streaming device necessary.
And save $120.
If you or somebody that you are buying for is in the market for a laptop, this is a very affordable option. It's the HP 14-inch touchscreen Chromebook. And so it kind of functions as, I think, like a tablet / laptop as well.
That's
so
cool.
You got the touchscreen, and it runs Android or PC apps on it, and it's super affordable. It's $170 off, so it's more than 50% off on Black Friday right now.
Wow, yeah, $129. That's really hard to find a laptop for that price. So definitely a good price if you're in the market for one. Last one on our list is an Apple Watch, because this is something that I think is on both of our Christmas lists this year. We both really want an Apple Watch. We've wanted one for a while. So this is the 5. They have 6 now as well, and they have some deals on 6s too. So I'll link a couple for you in the description. But this was just a little bit more affordable, and I didn't see much difference, honestly, between the 5 and the 6. So this has GPS and the cellular, where you can answer your phone and things on it, and it is $100 off. So you can get this for $399. You can also do monthly payments if you prefer to do that, but they have all different colors here of the bands and different colors of the...
Faces.
What do you call this? Yeah, the face. So this is the like gold face, but they have this in silver and I think black and some other colors too. So I'll link a few different options for you, but really good price on these. And you also get a free 6 months of Apple Fitness. Now I don't think they've even released Apple Fitness yet, but it's a new like fitness app that Apple is doing. It's supposed to be coming out very soon. And I don't even know what all that entails, but you get a free 6 months of it, and
cool.
It's probably going to be really cool because everything that Apple does is. So that's a wrap on our Best Buy Black Friday haul. We've got even more Black Friday things coming your way. There's so many deals, so many deals, and I have been pushing out a ton of deals on our Instagram page and our Like to Know It page as well. So make sure that you're following us in both of those places too, so you don't miss anything, and we'll see you a little later this week.